Are you facing overwhelming debt in Dayton, Ohio, and unsure about your next steps? Bankruptcy is a significant decision, but with the right support, it can be your path to financial stability. At U.S. Bankruptcy Help, we match you with experienced bankruptcy attorneys who deeply understand Dayton's unique legal landscape. Whether you're considering Chapter 7 bankruptcy for swift debt relief or Chapter 13 to reorganize your finances, an experienced bankruptcy attorney will ensure your paperwork is accurate, deadlines are met, and your rights and assets are fully protected. Navigating bankruptcy alone can be risky and stressful. With a knowledgeable attorney by your side, you'll have clarity and confidence every step of the way. Don't let financial stress control your future. Visit our website and click the free consultation button today. Connect with a trusted bankruptcy attorney in Dayton who is ready to support you on your journey toward financial freedom. A better financial future is within reach. Click now to get started.